we're gonna catch the boat. It's gonna take us around. First we get some fins. She's calling you.
After all this road, we are going to Matata.
Ah! Say hi.
Zanzibar, hakuna matata. Karibu Tanzania.
Everybody on the boat. Luca, you have a big boat.
Yeah, this is a
Do
big
you like
boat.
it?
You can dance in the middle. Luca is ready. We're not there yet, but he has his flippers on.
They're hot.
Luca can't wait anymore, so he's just gonna go.
Walk backwards, Luca. I can help you walk.
Okay, Mas is treating our guide today. We're waiting to get there, and so that's the entertainment. Luca being
What about these buckets?
slapping himself.
Yay, we go swimming.
We are in Mangrove Bay, kind of. There's a bunch of folks like us that are touring.
We brought two people with us. And on the other side of the island, there is a restaurant. The captain dropped them off here, and they're gonna walk on the other side so they can go to work.
So we are on a dhow boat, which is a traditional boat from Zanzibar, and it's made out of the wood from the mangrove.
Yes.
Which, if you watched our last video about Jozani Forest, you will know everything about the mangroves and how good they are, how strong they are, and they're perfect for salt water.
And they're not only
Check the
that,
video.
very helpful too for the hurricane.
And for mosquitoes.
Yeah, be sure to check the video because there is a lot of information there.
So here we are now. I think we're going to jump in the water for a little bit and check it out.
If this video does get 3,000 views in, let's say, maybe 2 weeks, two and a half weeks. Okay, we'll give you guys a bit of time. We will get pied in the face. Like that, except with actual pie. And we find in Tanzania. We can tell you where you get pied. You can even write who you want pied in the face in the comments. Thank you. Goodbye.
We are in the water in the mangroves. Wow, it's beautiful here.
This is one of the seeds that we saw in the other video that if you check, you will see. Monkey Luca. Stop of our boat tour today, and we are on a sandbank.
We arrive in this sandbank in the middle of nowhere.
And it's tiny, and it never gets covered by the tide. So you're always gonna have a little patch of sand. And it's amazing because we went from the mangroves to actual very sandy beach.
And the water is so clear, look. Pasqualino. It's a cool guy and he speaks 3 languages, so you are here, you can come and visit him. And
what? He speaks 13 languages?
Yeah! And now we have a fruit stop on the beach.
And all Luca ever wanted was the watermelon.
Madhouse here, so we are leaving this little sandbank for some snorkeling.
Go!
Are you going, Luca?
Oh yeah.
Go, Luca.
It have no problem, the whites.
Oh,
like
okay.
that. It have no problem.
Oh my gosh!
It's so fluffy! Ew! Try it, we'll hold it. It's so slimy. I know, it's so fluffy, feel it. Wait, let me feel it! See that?
Oh, careful! I went off!
Hold it.
Okay, now we're not scared of jellyfish anymore, so
they're so heavy.
we just hold them. Luca, are you testing if the wood is strong enough?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a bat. I'm a bat. I'm a bat. I'm a bat. No, now I'm testing this one. Testing wood. Ooh.
We got to a little island.
New place.
And we're gonna have lunch here. So to get in, the tide is getting lower, so the boat was touching the ground.
You meet the 6th world explorer. Can I hold it? His name is Yellow Banana. Can I hold it?
Get it?
Yellow Banana is all we use to share our videos. So Yellow Banana needs to come with me.
Yeah, Yellow Banana. If you want to see his Instagram account, it's yellowbanana.yellowbanana.yellowbanana.
This one are banana leaf. See, they put a string around it.
And they're used for hula dancing.
They put it over here, they dry them, and when they are dry,
You do hula
they
dancing.
just put it on top of the roof.
Get one.
Or you do hula dancing like Cosimo said.
Dad.
Oh wow, look at that. The lunch consists of grilled fish. Look at that. It's beautiful. And French fries. The potatoes taste like potatoes, don't they?
It's really good. Really, really good.
And the fish is, the octopus is, I think, the best I've ever had. What do you think? Emma, how is it?
This is good.
Right? The octopus is really good, sure.
Am I eating a poor octopus?
Oh.
We're gonna show you where they are cooking everything over here.
Okay, that's where they're frying all the fish and the potatoes. Now they're almost finished with the cooking. This is where they prepare the actual dishes that then they bring to the different tables.
Look, he's cutting the
Octopus.
octopus.
Yeah.
On the other side, they have
Lobster.
lobster.
And there's all the shrimp in there. And look at all the French fries. Their French fries are so good. They have the kitchen there and then all these different areas where you can sit and eat. And the food is really good, guys. So good. They're leaving them outside to... Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a really big one. Someone put it here because they want to get the shell and they put it out to die.
They just put it out like this.
That's a shame.
Moved a bit and then it was.
So we went shopping.
Okay, thank you.
Ciao.
Bye, ciao.
Okay.
Bambini, bellissimo,
Okay, now we're going to see the baobab. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Vedi, è un albero di baobab.
This is a giant baobab tree that fell down but is still alive. And people wrote all their names on it. Or a phone number. Is that a phone number? Oh no. Oh, that's when they visited. Okay, not a phone number. Call me, tree. Ring, 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 ring. So this is a baobab. It looks like a mango, like an oversized mango. And the guy told us that when they're green, they're not ready. And when they're yellow, they are ready. And it's something cool is it's really fuzzy. If you feel it's really fuzzy.
Can you feel it from the video?
Can you feel from the video? Yep. Write in the comments if you feel from the video. Or woman on the side. It's really soft.
feel it. It's really fuzzy.
This is really dying, but
This is a dead one, yeah.
This I mean, it's
But what did he say about the taste of it?
very, very sweet. It's very, very sweet.
So it's something you chew. It's not, you don't drink it. There's no liquid inside.
No,
You can eat it like a
like a candy.
candy.
Oh, we should try it.
Yeah, it's over there.
He said it.
So we'll
It's
see you
over
at the
there.
next scene.
This is a natural baobab, the white one.
But you eat it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the red one is like they put like to be sugar and juice. Pepper. Zanzibar candy. The natural one you use it for cooking.
The powder for
For cooking, maybe for a baby for cooking porridge together with the porridge.
But don't swallow it. You have to spit it out.
I know. I'm not.
Oh, you suck it and then you spit it out?
Mama, try.
And then what do you do with it?
And after you spit it out.
Throw your mouth.
Try it.
This one.
What it tastes like?
It tastes sweet. I don't know what it. What?
Not really sweet. It's like kind of sour taste.
So while we taste the baobab, Luca went on the baobab again by himself. Look, here you go. You can do And now what?
Now I'm gonna show you how I get down. So that I came from there, and then I'm gonna came from here,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna go back there, and then I'm gonna come from here.
Okay. So this is a playground, a good playground for you.
Hey.
And now it's gonna go again.
Okay guys, we arrived here. Our boat dropped us off here.
And we are
And
not
now-
gonna leave because there is no water.
There's no water now, so the boats are all far out.
We arrived straight on beach. There was plenty of water. And now look.
Look how far out we had to walk.
The beach is right there.
Because the
Before we
boat-
arrived there, and now because it's low tide, we have to walk all up here. And we are close to the sandbank.
Yeah, we could just walk back to the sandbank. There's less people than before. Here it is.
Kuwakaribisha Zanzibar yetu, hakuna matata, ya kupendeza, hakuna matata. Karibuni wote,
Hakuna matata.
Jambo, we jambo bwana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wewe wageni, kuwakaribisha Zanzibar yetu, hakuna matata, we hakuna matata, hakuna matata. Safari njema, hakuna matata, hakuna matata. Karibuni tena,
Hakuna matata.
wakubwa na wadogo,
Hakuna matata.
Italia uno.
Hakuna matata.
We jambo
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Super cute, channel.
Zanzibar yetu.